Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Python environments with Microsoft Visual Studio step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Visual Studio. Ensure you have the Python development workload installed. If you don't have it, go to the Visual Studio installer. Select Modify on your installed version of Visual Studio. Check the box next to Python development. Click Modify to install the workload. Once installed, open Visual Studio. Navigate to the File menu. Select New and then Project. In the Create a New Project window, search for Python. Choose a Python application type suitable for your needs. Click Next to proceed. Name your project and choose a location to save it. Click Create to start the project. To configure your Python environment, go to the Project menu. Select Python Environments. A new window will appear showing the available environments. If you want to add a new environment, click on Add Environment. You can choose between a virtual environment or a Conda environment. For a virtual environment, select Virtual Environment. Specify the environment name and location. Select the base interpreter you want to use. Click Create to set up the environment. For a Conda environment, select Conda Environment. Choose a name for your Conda environment. Select the Python version you prefer. Click Create to establish the Conda environment. Once your environment is created, it will appear in the Python Environments window. Select your newly created environment as the current environment. You can install packages using the Package tab in the Python Environments window. Search for the desired package in the search bar. Select the package and click Install. To start coding, return to your project file. Create a new Python file under the project by right-clicking the project name. Select Add and then New Item. Choose Python file and provide a name for your script. You're ready to start writing and executing your Python code in the configured environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.